Hi friends, how are you? I think you will be fine. My dear, today is the turn of grade 9's first chapter, which is a number system. In the number system, today we will know about the all numbers, especially real number. In a number system, in this row, we will understand about the real number. Real number. You know, number which can be exhibited on the number line, that is called real number. Now, it doesn't matter which type of number. I am taking graphics of the real numbers in two ways, with decimal or without decimal. Okay? Without decimal, you can say integers like -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. You know all are integers. Yes, it is. Now here we are looking, this is a natural, natural, and including 0 we can write whole number. Okay, and this side you are looking all negative integers. This is a negative integers. Okay, and you can combine this integer positive integer. Yes. Now these are the without decimal number, which is in the category of real. Now we will go here with decimal. With decimal, you can write 1.2, like 1.3, 1.666, dot dot dot, 2.5454, dot dot dot. What are you looking here? You are looking one more things. We can write here 0.01, 0.01, dot dot dot. Take one more 0.02, 0.02. This time, here we are looking three types of decimal expansion, decimal numbers. First is a terminating. Here is the message terminating. Terminating, it means it's and. After decimal, it comes on and non-terminating, it means repeating, reoccurring. It's after decimal, it's some numbers are repeating. This is called non-terminating. Non-terminating. Okay, I am taking here digits. Suppose 1.2, 1.3 are in the terminating category, and non-terminating, in the non-terminating we are taking 1.66. Okay, and 2.5454, dot dot dot. Here is dot dot also. Yes, it is. These are non-terminating. And here is the two decimal expansion numbers are written on your blackboard, my dear. You can say it is a neither terminating nor repeating. Neither terminating, no repeating. You can write it in a orderly way. You know very well how to write it. You can categorize it. Overall, these are the real numbers. But in this chapter, we have to learn about the rational or irrational number also. Rational number, you know definition very well. A number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. My dear, Q is not equal to 0. Like in this way, suppose that here is all integers, we can write it into rational number. Say how? Yes. These all are integers. We are going to write it into the rational form. In this way, we can insert, we can give. If we can give the denominator, certainly it will be in the form of P by Q. Suppose minus 5 by 1, minus 4 by 1, minus 3 by 1, minus 2 by 1, 0 by 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1, so on. Now it is in the form of rational. Yes, it is. But here are two decimal expansion. I said you earlier, the terminating or non-terminating. Terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion can be written, my dear, can be written in the form of P by Q. We can write it, we can exhibit it on the number line. But non-terminating, this is non-terminating number, we cannot exhibit into in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Here matter comes, if we not exhibit it into the number line, my dear, it will be irrational. Here comes the formula of a definition of irrational number. An irrational number can be not written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Is it? Now, we are moving ahead. At first, we have to erase the blackboard. Oh, my dear, decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. You know very well. Decimal expansion. Which type of decimal expansion comes of the irrational or rational number? We will understand now. Suppose 1 by 3. You know it is a rational number? Yeah. Divide it. Just take decimal here. You can take 0. Here 3 3 is 9. 1. What are you looking? You are looking after decimal. 3 is going on, moving, repeating. 0.333 dot. This is a non-terminating. But if we take 1 by 2, divide here, 2 5 10. Cancel. It means 0.5. After decimal, it comes to an end. This is a terminating. Terminating, it means after decimal it comes and ends. But non-terminating, it means after decimal expansion it is a repeating, overlapping. Okay. Now I have taken some example of neither terminating or nor repeating number. It means such type of number 0.1, you can say 0.1, 001, 0001. This is neither terminating nor repeating. You will know, now it's your prime duty to write all the topics, all the terms out by me as a question. At first question going to you, what is a rational number? Which example you have to write? What is irrational number? You have to write its definition and give some examples also. This is HW for you. Okay? And I am looking there is a real number and there are decimal expansion, repeating real number on the number line. We will exhibit this number on the number line. Suppose that first question going to you. Suppose here is one question. Write 3 rational number in between 3 and 4. Okay? Write 3 rational number in between 3 and 4. How can you? Here is a 3 rational number. Write 3 rational number in between 3 and 4. Here is a 2 integer 3 and 4. N is a 3. N is a 3. We have to write 3 rational number in between 3 and 4. You can write it simply. Suppose increase 1 digit here, 3, either 4. Look here, if we write 12 by 4, it cuts 12 into 3 times and by 16. 16 by 4, 4 times it cuts 4. So in between these numbers, there are 3 rational numbers. See how? 13 by 4, 14 by 4 and 15 by 4. Yes, it is. This is the first question, and you will go with your book. If you have, you will see such type of questions are. Suppose that without, you will try more question, such type of question by the help of textbook. Okay, I am going to erase the blackboard now, and I will show you how to, without actual division, you guess it is a rational or irrational. Okay, na? Yes. Yes, I said you without actual division, we have to understand number is either rational or irrational. Suppose here 18 by, suppose here is a 3 by 40. Yes, this is irrational, you know very well. But how you can say its decimal extension will be terminating or non-terminating? Before you can divide it, you can apply this formula. If any integer, it is in the form of p by q, and q is equal to the power m into 5 to the power n, you can say it is a terminating. We will do the prime factorization of the denominator. Look the prime factor 40, 2, 20, 2 by 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. What comes? The denominator's prime factorization comes into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. It means 3 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1. It means its decimal expansion is a terminating. Otherwise, if only 2 comes, yeah 5 comes, yeah both, it will be terminating. Except 2 or 5. If any prime number or any integer comes, then it is not will be terminating. Okay? Later, it's my prime duty to give you some questions to solve, but you know there is a notebook and you have, I hope you have it. You can try just like such type of questions by your own effort. Okay? How you will guess it is a rational, yeah irrational, its decimal expansion is a terminating, yeah non-terminating in this way. First of all, SW is you have to write in a schedule way all the topic in your notebook. Thank you. Best of luck, my dears.